Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and then click on Payable. Go to Process. Go to Supplier Bill and then click on Create Bill. Select Branch. Select Currency. Select Cash Name. Add Purchase Number. Write instructions. Select Supplier. Select Employee. Click on Add New. Click on Select Item. Select Unit Type. Select Quantity. Select Unit Price. Select Discount. Select VAT. Click on Save on Submit Options and then Save and Index.